Hey, it's Dr. John St. John. How are you? With Chagrin Natural Health Clinic here. Hey, I'm just heading home in some touch and go traffic. Thought I'd make a brief video and let you know that I'm really interested in getting the word out about natural health and wellness, and I am available to do lectures. We have a lunch and learn program. We have just a free lecture program. I will come to you. You can come to our clinic. I'm very, very interested in educating the public on natural ways to improve their health. There are so many people on medication that do not need to be on medication. There are so many possible and simple natural remedies, modalities, treatment methods that we use at our Chagrin Natural Health Clinic that can help many, many health conditions. So I'm going to name off some of these health conditions. So for example, today I had someone that is dealing with anxiety. I have someone that I'm helping with blood pressure. I have a guy with a knee problem. I have another guy with a shoulder problem. I have a gal that is looking to get pregnant. She's had fertility issues and is looking for a natural approach. I've helped all of these conditions over the last 20 years, numerous times. Reflux, intestinal bloating, irregularity. Those are often simple corrections, and it's often a tweak of the diet, some whole food supplements or herbs that are necessary. Especially with those digestive issues, drugs simply are not the answer. Drugs, especially reflux medications, they block the body's ability to absorb minerals. They can contribute to osteoporosis and even cancer. I mean, there's lawsuits out there for those right now, for those reflux medications. Anyways, if you would like me to come and speak to your group or organization, I will do it. I'll even bring some lunch from Aladdin's and give a lecture. Usually the lecture I give is how to improve your life and vitality through whole food supplements and herbs, and improve that vitality using proper eating habits and sleep habits, certain little exercise routines. I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve. So if you're interested in learning more about how to improve your health, I'm an expert in that realm. I've done hundreds of lectures on this. I would think people would be happy and excited for me to come out and give a lecture like this. And I haven't had much feedback lately, so I'm throwing it out there. Okay, I'm at your disposal. Take advantage of it, okay? Hey, if you have a health condition and you have any questions, comments, concerns, and you want to message me, respond to this email, or I'm probably going to send this out in an email blast. It's also going to be on my YouTube station, maybe on a Facebook post. However you're getting this, feel free to contact me because I'm here to help you. All right, take care.